Welcome back, everybody. It's 64 DBU. Beautiful day. A lot of sunshine right now across North Texas. We're enjoying it after a rough day yesterday. The temperature now 65 degrees out of DFW. Northwest wind around 8 miles per hour. So we've got the lighter winds now after a very windy start to the day. But here's the problem. It's springtime, right? We had the winds yesterday. Things are starting to bud. The pollen count almost 2 pages today. I was able to just squeeze it in on this one, but you've got high mountain cedar, moderate elm, moderate mulberry, moderate oak, moderate pine, and fungus is low right now, but you can see spring is in the air here in North Texas. Weekend looks great. 74 on Saturday, 76 on Sunday. A lot of sunshine this weekend. Winds will pick up a little bit on Sunday. It's not a bunch, 10 to 20 miles an hour is tolerable. Just a bit of a breeze, especially on Sunday. We have the clear skies now. We're going to stay mostly sunny through the entirety of the weekend, as there's our storm system that brought us the severe weather yesterday. See some severe thunderstorm and even tornado warnings in southwestern Ohio, some snow in northern Indiana and southern Michigan. They're expecting quite a bit too, maybe 6 to 10 inches of snow before all is said and done. Here, though, we're just quiet, and we like it that way, right? Now, next week, things change. So here's the latest on kind of the setup that we're expecting. A big cool down is in the forecast starting next week. That front early next week should stay to our north. That'll allow us to just stay close to normal, if not a little bit warmer than normal. Then that front starts to sag to the south. It stalls out across North Texas in this area here. And as it does, we'll just kind of have these waves of showers and thunderstorms for the middle of next week before eventually that front pulls to the south and brings in much colder than normal temperatures. And yes, a freeze is not out of the question for the end of next week and next weekend. In fact, in the 10-day forecast, I have one. Maybe it's a bold call, but I think maybe it's a bad idea to just go all in on the gardening. Just hold off on it a little bit longer because, again, our normal last freeze is not until March 12th. And in fact, we have a freeze in the forecast on March 12th. So here's how much rain could fall next week. Half an inch to an inch, maybe some higher totals to the northeast where the moisture quality be a little bit better. Right now, there doesn't appear to be a severe threat. That can change. It certainly does not look anything like we saw yesterday, but there is at least a chance for a few strong storms possibly. But again, not severe, maybe just some gustier thunderstorms, especially the beginning of the event before it cools down. I'll show you in the 10-day forecast. Tonight, 45. Clear, cool, light winds tomorrow. Mostly sunny and warmer with light winds, 74. It's only a south wind 5 to 15. Here's the next 10. So, as we kind of kickstart this event, there could be a couple of thunderstorms that get gusty. But once we get behind the front, or at least right on top, when the front's on top of us, here's the thing. The instability dies off quite a bit. It gets cool, 60 degrees on Thursday, Friday, 54. And then look at the high on Saturday, 49. Lows possibly in the freezing territory. So keep that in mind as we spring forward next weekend.